Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, we're going to be doing a product review on the latest release from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Then and Now eyeshadow palette. Really quick, if you guys are new, hello, my name is jenafroese. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. My channel is all about high-end and luxury makeup. I absolutely love it. If you're like me and you enjoy picking up some more expensive makeup items from time to time and you're looking for some honest reviews, which is exactly what I do, then I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video that I put out. And without further ado, let's get on to this review on the new Too Faced eyeshadow palette. First of all, let's talk about this outer packaging, guys. It is massive. So as you guys can see, it is super long, like probably the longest palette that I own at this point. And when it came in the mail, it was in a massive box and I really wondered why, but now I know. The outer packaging of this is also super stunning. It's a textured pink glitter. When you open it up, you will see a generous sized mirror, which is nice. Then you will see the eyeshadows themselves. The 10 shadows on the top row are actually Too Faced's original 10 eyeshadows that they came out with as a brand. They do say that they're all formulated with a modern formula though, so it's not going to be the old school formula. The bottom row is also 10 shadows, and these 10 are inspired from the original 10 on the top row. So here are all 20 shades in the eyeshadow palette. As you can see, there are a number of different finishes as well. So there are pearl shades, matte shades, as well as full-blown glitter shades. Too Faced does say that for the glitter shades, you should be using a finger or a glitter glue for maximum impact. This palette is available now online at Sephora and at Too Faced website. It will also be available in store on August 3rd. The original 10 shades going from left to right are Twinkie, Pixie Dust, Dirtbag, Rizzo, Zaza, Temper Temper, Trixie, Villain, Ice Queen, and Oh and Ah. The last shade is a Split Pan. The bottom row 10 shadows going from left to right are Glitter Donut, Lost Boys, NSFW or Not Safe for Work, Gretchen, Reality Star, I Can't Even, Gigi, Shady Bitch, Chill Out, and a modern split pan as well in Ooh La La. Speaking of the split pans, there are 2 in this palette, and initially that was the reason why I was hesitating towards getting this, because I just thought they were going to be a really big mess, not gonna lie, but they are actually just big enough so that if you're careful, you can keep them separate. The eye look that I do have on today is from this palette. I actually used a number of different shades so I could try out exactly the pearl and the matte and the glitter shades all for you guys, and just to see how they are. When I was working with this palette, guys, I did find that the matte shades are beautiful. They blend like a dream. They're pigmented. They're amazing. The 2 that I used today are Gretchen right here, as well as I Can't Even. Both of them are on my eye right now, and they blend beautifully. They apply beautifully. There's no fallout either, which is amazing. Then we have the Pearl Dust over here, which is a little bit looser as well. That one is in the beginning part of my lid, which is the outer third, right by the tear duct. And that one gives me a lot of kickback, not gonna lie. When you pick it up off of the pan, those are going to kind of fly off of the pan, similar to when you're working with an Anastasia Beverly Hills product, for instance, like the Soft Glam or the Norvina. Those ones will kind of give you some kickback as well, and you'll find that you'll have some eyeshadow like all over the pan. That is similar to this, but the Anastasia ones are a little bit worse. Because I'm wearing a deep green shirt, I really wanted to pick up Lost Boys, which is right here, and I really wanted to try it out for you guys because that one is actually a full-blown glitter shade. And what I did find was that the fingertip was absolutely the best. It is what they recommend on Too Faced site, and that makes sense for sure. And I did go over it with a brush as well, just to kind of blend it in along the edges, and it worked beautifully for that. As a whole, when it comes to the formulas on the top row and the bottom row, it's interesting because the original 10 has a modern formula according to Too Faced, so I'm not sure like how different they are between the 2 rows, I'm not gonna lie. Like, besides the obvious fact that the glitters here are a little bit more glittery and a little bit more textured shadows, these ones are a little bit lighter and not as heavy of a glitter, but I have been very impressed with this palette. I do think that if you're willing to work with the glitters a little bit, you're going to be very happy with it. Anyways, guys, if this palette catches your eye, I would definitely recommend getting it. I absolutely love it, and I do think that it's worth the money. It's a massive palette. You get a lot of eyeshadows, so that's amazing. It is limited edition, don't forget, so make sure that that you head over to Too Faced or to Sephora if you are interested in picking this up sooner than later, because it will most likely go away faster than we would like. I will have the palette linked down below if you're interested in purchasing it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I would love to see you guys again, and until my next one, guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!